Breaking news, a man accused of shooting and killing a Cathedral Catholic high school teacher is found guilty of first-degree murder. Good evening and thanks for joining us. I'm Carlo Cicchetto.
I'm Marcella Lee. The jury deliberated for less than 6 hours today. CBS 8's David Gottfredson has been following this case. He joins us live now from the downtown courthouse. David?
The jury found Jesse Alvarez guilty of first-degree murder and a special circumstance of lying in wait when he shot and killed Mario Fierro in front of his North Park home in February 2021. Here's video of the verdict being read in court just hours ago.
We, the jury in the above entitled cause, find the defendant, Jesse Milton Alvarez, guilty of the crime of murder in the first degree, and we further find that the murder of Mario Fierro was committed by defendant Jesse Milton Alvarez True, who intentionally killed Mario Fierro by means of lying in wait.
Very little reaction from the defendant in court, but because of the special circumstance, his mandatory sentence will be life in prison without the possibility of parole. Prosecutors say the motive for the murder was jealousy. Fierro, the teacher, was engaged to the gunman's ex-girlfriend. Alvarez had claimed he shot the teacher in self-defense, but in the end, the jury looked at some very damning evidence against the gunman, including internet searches Alvarez made before the shooting, like, quote, how to kill your ex's fiance, and, quote, how to kill somebody with a handgun. Both sides spoke to reporters outside court. We asked the prosecutor about Alvarez's decision to take the witness stand and testify in his own defense.
In testifying, he was attempting to explain two things: why he conducted the Google searches, and he attempted to state that he had murdered Mr. Fierro in self-defense.
Did you think that was good for him or not?
I can't really answer as far as that goes, but the jury made the right call.
What's his reaction?
He's obviously in shock. This is devastating news. We have set the sentencing for May 10th, and after sentencing, I'm sure he'll file a notice of appeal immediately.
Now, again, the judge has no discretion in sentences. He has to give him life without the possibility of parole. Alvarez will remain in jail without bail.
David, Alvarez's testimony was interesting to say the least. What did the defense have to say about this tactic, whether it was a good idea to put Alvarez on the stand?
They defended that tactic. They said it was the correct decision because they were trying to show that the defendant had mental health issues. But I have to say, he was not very convincing on the stand, and obviously the jury did not give his testimony much weight.
Yeah, it didn't come across as sincere for those who watched that testimony. David Gottfredson reporting live for us. Thanks, David.